According to the connection end of optical
Remove
fiber
the opening
type,
tool.
selection using 250 sets of lines. Miller 0.9 mm
fiber
clamp
optic cable
strip
to stripping
optical fiber
pliers,
coating.
benchmarking end. Holding clamp handle. Pull out the cable. Check the fiber is damaged.
Check and clean the fiber.
The cable sheath incision close in retaining surface. Close the guide stripper. Pull out the cable. Check the fiber is damaged.
Fiber card
Clean
into
with
the
alcohol
code catching
fiber.
guide rail bar. Left 0.9 mm card slot. Cutting 0.9 mm
Open
bare
guide
fiber.
stripper. The
Length
cable cut
13
close
mm.
bevel. Together into the cutter groove.
From the 0.9 mm
Cutting
optical
bare
fiber
fiber
end
length.
is inserted into the
10.5
0.9 mm optical fiber. Optical fiber insertion end. Push on, push pipe.
Be careful when penetrated into
Miller
the optical fiber.
0.25
Cable sheath incision to the
clamp
top of the
strip
limiting
optical
bar.
fiber coating.
Wear fiber in place while the pressure
Clean
cover
with
looking the
alcohol
cable
fiber.
sheath. Press amber box cover. Removed dust cap. Clean the fiber and face. Put on the dust cap.
Fiber card into
Shell.
the code catching
A
guide.
fiber finish.
The right
clean.
0.25 card slot. Cutting 0.25 mm bare fiber. Length 11.5
Below is the
mm.
decomposition demonstration.
From the
Against the
0.25
dust
mm
cap
optical
back
fiber end is inserted into the 0.25 mm optical fiber. Optical
The opening
fiber
tool,
insertion
pushing
end.
the box
Push
cover.
on, push pipe. Pressing cover, complete connection. Below is the decomposition demonstration. Force upward opening cover. Release